How to get free supplies for your school. There are many ways to urge free things for your school and for your child. But, if you begin with taking care of the full student body and not just your own child, there are plenty of things that may be done to assist with general school supplies and filled backpacks. Let's observe some ideas. Start a box top club, Box Tops for Education, http://www.boxtops4education.com/closing parenthesis is a beautiful thanks to get basically free money for your school. What's more, such a large amount of box tops are just thrown away day after day and not turned shore funding, that the opportunity is large. You'll be able to find out how one senior in high school did this during this account from 2012, http://whnt.com/2012/05/students-raise-money-awareness-with-box-tops-drive/ It's shocking what quantity a faculty can earn with a decent box tops program. Organize a faculty supply drive. A good thanks to help your child's school and not take much out of your own pocket is to own a faculty supply drive. List the items your school needs, and so pick a date and place to gather them. If you create absolute to get the word out via local media and social media, you will save everyone money. Start an internet club. Most are on Facebook nowadays. You'll be able to easily start a Facebook group that's designed to assist fill the backpacks of all the children in your child's school, not just your own. You'll be able to even create a video and make it go viral so more people want to donate to the cause. They will even donate all over Facebook if you set it up correctly. Look at other online groups. freecycle.org may be an excellent place to hunt school supplies. You'll be able to post a call for participation for your area and other people will voluntarily divulge their stuff if you decide it up. People divulge useful things all the time via FreeCycle, from paper to art supplies to costumes, it's all there. Check with churches. If not your own church, other churches may have programs in situ to assist the less fortunate. Get on the phone and call them one by one, and you're absolute to find one that it's willing to assist you or help others too. If nothing else, they'll be able to point you within the right direction. Involve the senior center. Many seniors that prefer to head to the senior center have resources to assist people if only they were asked. Plenty of them prefer to help children learn to read. If you allow them to understand the difficulty with some kids needing supplies, they'll start a program for his or her local schools. Check out backpack programs. There are some backpack programs that supply free backpacks with supplies in them. How effective these are depends on if they use the list your school uses to fill the backpacks. You'll be able to start a program yourself, whether or not your child isn't the one in need. There are certainly others. The school district, it should not be announced any place, but in some cases for youngsters who are on the gift program or who are at a specific level of poverty, the college district must supply the things that the family cannot. So, sit down with them about their rules and regulations. There are many ways to search out help for varsity supplies without breaking the bank. Just keep your eyes open for resources, and don't be afraid to ask after you need something. The college counselor is additionally a decent resource for information about what's already happening in your community. It's always better to travel into any new situation stuffed with information and knowledge, the knowledge that you just will have to finance a decent portion of your child's public education yourself if you would like them to be involved, have the supplies they have and obtain the education you would like them to own. You'll be able to do this by researching matters where you reside and being prepared for the prices earlier through creativity, smart planning, and budgeting. This channel seeks to satisfy its subscribers with everything that is beautiful and unique. It also aims to publish important content in form and content. Also a channel that loves creativity. Don't forget to support me for the video and subscribe to the channel for the first time. You are here because you are sure to honor me, and activate the alerts button until you get notified of any new video the first thing that happens and be the first to see it.